If you look at this road now, they tie it from Ikoro to halfway. They now tie it from Egbai Junction to halfway. From here, they leave it. You can now see that if not because we feed that place this morning, there's no road to here before. Before you could come down to this place, you can always stop there. Then the funniest thing is that the neighboring village is fighting with us too because of our land. That is Ikoro. They kill our people, kill one of our elders here, injure some of us, burn houses. If you look at it now, you go from here, you will see houses and store which they burn. And the matter is still in police station. Up to now, they haven't charged them to court. So we are begging the government to come to our aid.
Hello my people, yes, so this one is Edo Talk Show. Me I not forget my name, I Godwin Osamoyi. My people, we there for Obazuwa village for Ovia Northeast local government. Now we there, so this Obazuwa community when we there, so my people, I go describe where it there for Ovia Northeast. You those of them where you come from Ring Road, straight you go past Asoro bus stop, come to Ugbioko. From Ugbioko, you dey go Ogede. From Ogede, you go Ekenwan Barrack. If you reach Ekenwan Barrack, you go straight, you come reach Egbai Junction. That Egbai Junction, so now that road now you pass straight where they go Ikoro village. Now the straight road now they go after this Obazuwa village, so now they go Ikoro side. So this Obazuwa village now we there for today. So my people, Obazuwa village there, so they get borrow pit for this community where tipper for the carry sand. Now because of the main reason why we come here today, now be this one so. But as we reach here, we discover that so many things there where they not get for this village. I'm not going to talk. I want make they use their own mouth to tell government and our people, our children where they abroad, waiting that they pass through for this community. My people, I want to talk to the audio way of this community. Una well done. Kawaba. Yeah. Don't know what your way or Gavona. Edo Talk Show up we are the name, Papa. Yes. And my rebel with they need them in Guanevona. All right, too. I'm almost out. In Mamma. Mamma number one. Then the government we are moving a mass way. You know, who have none of the Lekaka. I give motor no Polola. I give motor no Polola. That's what you're doing. My school. Secondary school. Hospital. Center on Raw. Center on Raw. I came here with myself. I have new home. I'm a pensée. I want to be in a bed. In a bed, not your hobo. A gabby. Don't know why. But you were my property can I make the one man. Raw. My borrow pit. But anyway, you are making for property one 22,000. 22,000. Yeah, I'm going to I can't want more. I will pay you 22,000. I am money, Mama. Okay. Yeah, you go near your way on the Pamagi, but it can not more. But where are you in now to Cassie and I go now making or Cavaniana? I get more. We got a reno. So, Queen of Ghana, Obadi, big government, may believe why big government. First of all, if we're in Amurukba, I give me a gas 700. Then Iran wa Sedo Igagano and Imunero wa Mekiagbele boys Nije school. So Inyeme Iguero
In fact, we are suffering. If you look at this road now, they tie it from Ikoro to halfway. They now tie it from Egbai Junction to halfway. From here, they leave it. You can now see that if not because we feed that place this morning, there's no road to here before. Before you could come down to this place, you can always stop there. The funniest thing is that the neighboring village is fighting with us too because of our land. That is Ikoro. They kill our people, kill one of our elders here, injure some of us, burn houses. If you look at it now, you go from here, you will see houses and store which they burn. And the matter is still in police station. Up to now, they haven't charged them to court. So we are begging the government to come to our aid.
They say if you two talk, you can't talk when you're supposed to talk. Our Baba, they don't talk the main thing whether they fight for this community. So, number one, they say their road not good at all. This road they go straight to Ikoro, but they try and reach some part, they go stop again, go continue again, go Ikoro. It's not supposed to be like that. Why they go cut this community away from other community like that? They're supposed to do this road straight to Ikoro direct, but the road is not good. They say they complain, say primary school they get, they not even maintain like that. So they need government, may they come help them maintain the primary school, and they need secondary school. Their children not fit go primary school for this community for here. They go look for secondary school for another community. It get as it be. They want make government come see help them, come do this primary school and secondary school for them. May they build them for them. Then health center they still need them for the community. May they come do all these things. Now what they find. They say not be only this one. They get problem with the community, with their neighboring community, Ikoro community. When it be say that they drag their land to the extent they don't even burn so many of these, they kill people for this community. Then they beg government, may they intervene on their behalf, may they come rescue them for these people. And my people, this community, now great community where be say government need to come work on, because one, where they for the carry sand, where the borrow pit, they even get on for this same community. So even this community, so the price of sand now they say don't over, cause so then when they year that they carry out on the 2000, what of me go there Oko and what to boom and every other community, how much they come from here they carry they go that side. You see I say things go they over the deer they go, because where the distance and the road were not good, now they affect price for Edo State. And my people, they say they not still get light for this community. No light not there at all. They say when light come, darkness vanish. If light come now, they go they share for this community, business go they flow, the community go develop. If you look at my mothers now full, if light dey just now, the community develop. In fact, you know go see this kind of houses for this community again. So that the beg government may they can't do all these things for them, for this community. Now my audio way here, Mr. Waiting. Mr. Amawosa Agidi now be the audio way of this community. Now I say make I come help them, beg them for the Obasua community. So may they come beg the government, may they come help them for this community. Una well done, my people. Edo Talk Show.
Man that was killed,
Michael
Gbenovia, during the crisis of the neighboring village that attacked the community. And then destroy this one, so. These people, go on there to do all this one, so.
Get to the bus. If you just have a problem, and I just set a block for that side.
The CSO of this community.
Obazuwa community.
Obazuwa community CSO. Oga, what is your name, sir?
My name is Mr. Nusakare Ohen.
Mr. Nusakare
Ohen.
Thank you. Yeah. So how long you don't stay for this community, and what if you talk about this community?
I was born and brought up in this community. So it has been long I've been in this community, right from my birth to this time.
So what if you talk about the community?
And actually, this community is a nice and a peaceful and lovely community. You understand? This community is in Ovia Northeast local government. You see, we need the betterment of this community. We need the development of the government. You see, actually we have human resources in this community. There are some other things that they produce in this community. You understand? Actually, let me use one as an instance. As a borough pit, we have a borough pit in this community that people used to come to carry sand every time in Obazuwa community, and we are still lacking from other things. Like we don't have we don't have light. Two, not that we don't have NEPA light. They connect. There's a transformer, but there's no light. And second of it, we don't have secondary school in this place. We have primary school, but no, we have health center, but we don't also have town hall. So we need all those things in this community, and water. Understand? The boil that the government brought into this community is only it's just one, and it's not working now. So we need another boil. But the most thing that is really bothering us is the secondary school and the health center. These lights have been working about let me say 4 years ago, but suddenly it just went off. We have been trying to make sure that we tried to put the light in order, but according to the NEPA, they are always bringing one or two excuses that should go and bring so amount, so and so amount, and so amount. They did not really give us what really caused the problem of this thing. All is money they are talking about. So we tried, we just see that there's no way they will not pause. So we have to call to the government, and the government should come to our head to come and look onto it.
How is the security in this environment here?
Of course, the security, we have a vigilante in Obazuwa community. See, the security in this place I cannot say is 100% guaranteed, but at least by the special grace of God, we are really thanking our God that we are still alive, and the security, we the community vigilante are still able to, you know, to tidy the community according to our power. You understand? So that is the area of that way.
Thank you very much.
Where I'm from, Obazuwa, from Ovia Northeast. This community has been peaceful for everyone, but we are lacking some social amenities like borehole, light, and road. But they are working on the road. Unfortunately, they stop. They tie from here to Ikoro, and from the Pit Junction to Igban Junction. So I don't know why they are abandoning this project. So the government should look onto it. Mostly the lights, the water, so that people can be living well. You can see the communities is developing. So people that want to reside, they need these amenities. So I plead the government, Obaseki, the Oba of Benin, that they should also look onto this community. We have a Nogi. It's a community that has a Nogi, Edwin Akenzwa. But I don't really know what is going on. The government should please try and help us out. And we also have problem, the Jos, the Ikoro Jos. They are giving us headache problem. You can see the environment everywhere is bushy. They even keep people not quite long. The matter now is in police custody. So government should try and look onto this matter. If you see now, when you point the camera along, you can see everywhere is bushy. People have run away because of the situation we have here. So government should try and come to our aid. So thank you very much.
Now what we see for this village, Obazuwa are very peaceful and lovely community. We know they find trouble, but since we got the apple recently, they tire us. So we beg governments may they intervene for this issue with the apple for Obazuwa, because we don't need quarter anywhere we quarter day development not they enter. So now we beg government may they call us like for our light. So more than 3 years up till now we not get light. We Osan first give us like most of the commissioner. Ever since then the light not they work. We don't go NEPA office militant. So we beg government may they come help us fix the light. If there is light there, then at least infrastructure and all the other things, you go see bring development. Youth will be still get 1 or 2 handwork, but they not fit come because no light. So we see the beg government may they intervene put so that development go see enter the communities. Because this community now community will be say population day where we pass more than 3,000 people we did this village. As is day the other side, but no light. So with the beg government may they intervene, may they help us still work on the light so that this community will still improve.
My people, this community, they don't tell them what they need to primary school, health center, secondary school, then the road and the light. They say they don't know to put to the light. Make government come help them. Talk to NEPA. May they come do this light for them. They say may they bring money come. What they won't buy, they don't know. The thing get as it be. So now these ones, now they get to tell government today. I beg, may they come to their aid. And moreover, they say equal people, they follow that they fight for this community for year. They don't even kill some people. And the matter the station, they never even talk anything about and they burn houses. May government come to this community. May they come enter this battle. May they know what thing they go on. What they fight from this community. May they come tell government. That they beg government. May the government come. May they come help them for this community. Una well done.